Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your video keeps freezing, stuttering or pausing, it usually means there is a network instability or device performance issue affecting playback. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix video freezing on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So you have to know that freezing is usually internet or performance related, common on Wi-Fi, smart TVs or older devices, and often easy to fix. So focus on connection and device performance. Okay, so first thing, check your internet stability. Like run a speed test, make sure your connection is stable, not just fast, because stable connection means smooth playback. Okay, you can restart your router, like turn off your router for 30 to 60 seconds and turn it back on. So this fixes most network interruptions. You can also restart your device, like restart your TV, phone or streaming device. It clears temporary performance issues. You can close background apps, like if you are using a mobile or smart TV too, close unused apps, okay, because it frees up memory and improves performance. Otherwise, lower video quality, like open Prime Video settings, set up quality to good or better, and this reduces buffering and freezing. Okay, or update the app from go to your app store, depending on your phone. If you are using Android, you go to Play Store. If you are using iPhone, you go to Apple Store, like updates Prime Video. It fixes bugs and improves stability. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.